All right, so I'm up here with a couple trucks. I'm gonna show y'all what I do to get the decals off. I don't know what this driver had going on. He had 2 DOT numbers on here. I don't even know what that was for. That was the last company. You're not supposed to have 2 DOTs. You gotta take that stuff off. So this driver had it wrong, but I'm gonna show y'all how I get these decals off. I don't use no Goo Gone or whatever that stuff is, man. I just peel it off, and I got a rag and rubbing alcohol. That is pretty much all I use to get the decals off. So it's easier if you got a razor blade. I didn't bring mine with me, so I'm gonna just use my hands, but basically I just peel it off. And then once I get it all off, some decals are easier than others. Obviously, you gotta look at how that company's set up with the logos. Like you can see these ones, you gotta take them all off individually. So I pull them all off by hand. Again, it's easy if you have a razor blade. I would just be slicing right through these suckers. But I get them all off. And once I get them off, I hit it. Again, I don't use no Goo Gone or whatever. I just use that rubbing alcohol. So this is how I do it. In case y'all over there switching companies, man, you run into it all the time, man. Company giving you loads, and then all of a sudden they ain't got no work. Can't sit around and wait, man. It's just business. You gotta go make something happen. The rubbing alcohol, gets that stuff right off. That stuff just disappearing. I got a bunch of grease on the door. It'll take the grease off and everything. So you're gonna have to scrub it. So rubbing alcohol in the rag, that's what I use. Some are harder than scrub than others, depending on the type of freaking glue that it got on it. All right, so I got all the decals off. Y'all can see the lines and stuff. So that's what I do, man. I take rubbing alcohol in a rag and I go and wipe it down. So I'm about to wipe it down. Get all this crap off. So yeah, man, rubbing alcohol in a rag. You know, I've had this truck some years, man, and you know it's been a solid truck, but it's beat up. Somebody crashed into it at the truck stop. I've had drivers drag shit down the side of it, but rubbing alcohol and a rag is what I use to get my decals off. So, and don't get me wrong, man, it does take some freaking elbow grease. You can see I still got a little bit of, it does take some elbow grease. You're gonna have to lean into it and scrub it a little bit, but that's how I do it.